Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the watch ready to respond. Charge it for at least 30 minutes and insert a SIM only if you need cellular features. This avoids delays later. Once done, remove any protective film so the touch works reliably. Now press and hold the side button for 3 to 5 seconds until the logo appears. That confirms a successful boot. Make sure the watch has at least 10% battery before continuing, so you won't be interrupted. You must pair the watch to your phone next so notifications and data sync work. Open the companion app, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and accept the pairing prompt. Enter the 4-digit code shown on the watch if asked. Once paired, set language and time so readings are accurate, then allow notification permissions to get calls and messages. After that, pick a watch face and set health goals. This makes the device useful immediately and ensures the sensors record correctly. Now you'll start using core features. Swipe to find the dialer, messages, fitness tracking, and settings. Tap to open and long press to customize quick actions. Make sure to accept firmware updates in the companion app because updates fix bugs and improve battery life. If the watch becomes unresponsive or loses connection, force a restart by holding the side button for 8 to 10 seconds, then repair Bluetooth in the app. That resolves most issues without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.